Best crypto exchanges, wallets, and all helpful links for traders are in the video description. Hello, trader. If you've ever opened your trading account and felt your stomach sink after a huge loss, you're not alone. It happens to beginners, professionals, and even legendary investors. The painful truth is that financial losses in trading are inevitable, but the way you recover mentally determines your long-term success. In this audio guide, we'll explore how to deal with the psychological impact of a big trading loss, how to reset your mindset, and how to come back stronger. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to rebuild not only your confidence, but also your discipline in the markets. Accept the reality of loss. The first step is acceptance. Many traders waste days or even weeks stuck in denial, replaying the trade in their head, asking, "Why me?" or blaming the market. But here's the truth. Losses are not just possible, they are guaranteed in trading. No strategy has a 100% win rate. Acceptance doesn't mean you like what happened. It means you stop fighting the reality and start focusing on what you can control. A loss is not a reflection of your worth as a person. It's a cost of doing business. Imagine a restaurant owner who has to buy ingredients. For traders, losses are the cost of ingredients. If you keep that perspective, the pain becomes manageable. Detach emotion from performance. After a big loss, emotions can run wild. Fear, anger, shame, or even revenge trading impulses. The most dangerous mistake is to let those emotions dictate your next move. Here's a practical technique. Write down exactly how you feel in a journal. When you put your emotions on paper, they lose power over your decision-making. Another method is to take a mandatory 24-hour break after a big loss. Step away from the charts, get some exercise, talk with friends, and reset your nervous system. Remember, trading is a game of probability, not emotion. If you want to win in the long run, you must separate your identity from your trades. You are not your last trade. You are the consistency of your process. Analyze and learn without self-destruction. Once your emotions have calmed down, it's time for reflection. Ask yourself, was the loss part of a normal risk? Did I break my own rules? Was position sizing correct, or did I overexpose myself? The goal here is not to beat yourself up, but to extract the lesson. Every loss contains valuable information. Maybe you learned that your stop loss was too tight, or that you entered a trade because of FOMO, not strategy. Keep a trading journal where you log each trade with entry, exit, reason, and emotion. Over time, this builds self-awareness and helps you avoid repeating the same mistakes. Rebuild confidence. Step by step after a heavy drawdown, it's tempting to win it all back quickly. That's a trap. Instead, scale down, trade smaller positions, lower leverage, and focus on execution rather than profit. This will slowly rebuild your trust in your system. Think of athletes returning from injury. They don't jump into the championship game right away. They train with lighter loads, strengthen fundamentals, and only then go full speed. As a trader, you need the same rehabilitation process. Confidence is not rebuilt in one day. It grows trade by trade, with discipline. Adopt a growth mindset and long-term vision. The final piece of recovery is perspective. A single loss, no matter how big, is only a chapter in your trading career, not the whole story. Great traders think in terms of hundreds and thousands of trades, not just one. Adopting a growth mindset means treating every setback as feedback. Instead of asking, "Why did this happen to me?" ask, "What is this teaching me?" Also, shift your focus from daily P&L to long-term consistency. Success in trading is not measured by how quickly you recover from one loss, but by how well you can stick to your system over months and years. Let's summarize. Accept that losses are part of the trading journey. detach emotions and avoid revenge trading. Analyze your trades with curiosity, not self-punishment. Rebuild confidence with smaller steps and discipline. Keep the long-term vision and see every loss as a lesson. Remember, some of the most successful traders in history went through devastating losses before they achieved greatness. What separated them from the crowd was not luck, it was resilience. If you can rise after a fall, you are already on the path to mastery. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow traders who might be struggling right now. And make sure to check the description below. We've included links to the best crypto exchanges, wallets, and other useful resources for traders. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and remember, one loss does not define your future. Your next chapter begins now.